It's Joe Andrews for Joe's Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing a Palakkadan Coimbatore style biryani. Very famous biryani. It's called as Rawther Biryani. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joe's Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 6 guests. Let's start making the ingredients. We need 1.5 kg of chicken, bone in, cut into pieces. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt just to taste. 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Few drops of water. Marinate the chicken and rest for 30 minutes. We are using a pressure cooker here. Half cup of oil and half cup of peanut oil. If you don't have peanut oil, you can use regular oil. 2 pieces of cinnamon stick, 2 pieces of star anise, 8 pieces of cloves, 5 pieces of cardamom. All onto the oil. Let the fragrance come out. Add 8 pieces of green chilies slit and 2 pieces of sliced red onions and saute for 2 minutes. Add crushed shallots, 15 pieces. Saute until onions are soft and transparent. Add 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. How to make ginger garlic paste? The recipe is there in my channel. Saute for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala. How to make garam masala? Recipe is there in my channel. Saute until the spices are cooked. The fragrance are coming out. Add 2 pieces of chopped tomatoes. Saute for 2 minutes. Add salt to taste. A big handful of chopped cilantros and a big handful of mint leaves. Saute until the spices are cooked and the tomatoes are soft. Now we have to add the marinated chicken to the sauce. Add 1 cup of yogurt. It will make the chicken soft. Combine well. Cook the chicken. While the chicken is cooking, we can 4 cups of jeera masala rice washed and soaked for 30 minutes. In between, don't forget to saute the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, ghee, to the chicken. Stir well and cook until the chicken is cooked. Boil water. Add 7.5 cups of hot water. Make sure the water is hot. Give a quick stir. Add half lemon juice. Check the salt. Give a quick stir. Bring to boil. Add the soaked rice. Give a quick stir. On this recipe, we don't use the whistle, so make sure you remove the whistle. Bring to boil, cover it and cook on a very low heat for 9 minutes. Remove from the heat and dum for 30 minutes. Open it up, the fragrance will come out. When you look at the biryani, it will be more on a moisture side, but as soon as you fluff the rice, it will be a perfect rice. See, very soft, juicy chicken, and the rice is very soft like this. Now you can plate the Rawther Biryani like this before you serve to a guest.
The Rawther Biryani, it's ready. I already started eating, so it's so tempting. The fragrance are so good. The rice is so soft. Just melts in your mouth. I have some raita on the side to balance the flavors. If you like to have a raita recipe, it's there in my channel. And the chicken, really soft. Wow. This is spicy. Rawther Biryani is spicy. So if you want to balance it, I recommend you to have a raita. But when you're making it, you can reduce the heat by reducing the chili powder. But Rawther Biryani has to be tasted like this. Exactly like this. It has a spiciness, but it is so tempting to eat more and more. So just enjoy and eat, and don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Have you ever tried? About this one? Have you tried it? And what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.